Ladies and gentlemen, as the unofficial reviewer of Atlantis Model Kits, I want to take a look at the Amoeba. This kit is 1,000 to 1 scale, retails around $22, and it's available online, retro, local, hobby shop. Always start with the box. Beautiful box art. I call this standard box art as I could not find an artist who did it. Brief little history. First came out in the 60s in the educational products box. About 10 years later in the 70s came out again in the lifelike box, and then now recently in 2022 came out in Atlantis. The box art is very reminiscent of the lifelike box art, and the instructions are basically the same in all three kits. Again, start with the instruction, more of a two-page little, I want to say, history of the amoeba or scientific fact. And then it does tell you how to paint and assemble the amoeba kit. One thing about the kit, it is 13 pieces, all casted in clear styrene. It is crystal clear, no flash whatsoever. You will, however, probably get it's a bigger box. Probably get some loose pieces off the tree. Of course, I always like to show the manufacturer mark that was added. Again, crystal clear, sharp, even for its age. And that's the inside of the amoeba, best way to explain it. And then the outside of the amoeba, which should fit in something like so. And then the little pieces, they do go on the inside of the domes there. Paint them to be clear. You can see the inside of that. Absolutely a fantastic kit. Highly recommend the Amoeba from Atlantis.